Schembri. I've got 3 kids in Meadow Pond, and I'm a numbers guy. And I've only had this report for an hour and a half on the train ride home, so I'm not prepared as most people. I'll be very, very short. But I want to explain to everybody here that everyone's looking for statistics. He's ignoring statistics. He's using a specific method, the trend line, that is negative. The method is called cohort survival ratio method. The CR method assumes what happened in the past will also happen in the future. It takes nothing into account. Superintendent said 2007, 2011, yada, yada, yada. We all know 2007, 2011 wasn't yada, yada, yada for us. Okay? It wasn't.
I think you're
He also mentions housing sales. There were a total of 197 home sales in 2012, which is nearly 30% gain from 2011. He then goes on to say it's unclear whether the district is gaining students from that number. He's unaware that there's no beaches here, the weather's not mild, and you cannot walk to get your groceries. Going back to his numbers, this method is supposed to be used when you have static numbers, when numbers don't change. We show in the charts above, which you love to have thrown on the screen, that from 1994 to a 10-year period, the enrollment went up 30% of students. In the next cycle, it went down 18%. That's volatility. That's not static. And that is Westchester. It's Westchester. And again, I don't want to take too much time because all these numbers are all wrong. Because the footnotes on all these slides are actually comical. He talks about historical enrollment and survival method. That means ultimately is, you're a 12th grader and you leave, there has to be someone to replace you in kindergarten. All the data in this presentation focuses solely on 2007, 2011, and many times is shorter. For example, one of the footnotes in Table 3 is the birth to kindergarten ratio is based on 5 years data prior and nothing else, even though it's a 20-year graph. So I don't think we have to be experts in demography. I think we have to have common sense.